All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is 109 Premium Pack Foosball 109. All right, 5 times for the 5 times. Randomize it up. Let's randomize it up. Okay. All right, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 38. 38. Thirty-eight, 34, 35, 36, 38. Come in hot. Hot, hot, hot. AJ 2, Jeremy 1, Ravi, Tanya, Dan, and AJ with 2. Whoa. Oh, you know what? Forgot I didn't play. Alright, 5 times, guys, here. Let's randomize it up 5 times for 5 times. Mix it on up. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And AJ, you're on top. AJ's on the bottom 5 times. Alright, AJ. AFC North, Jeremy. AFC South, Rob V. AFC East, Tanya. AFC West, Dan Frost. NFC North, AJ. NFC South, NFC East, NFC West. Alright, any trades there? Let me know. Good to go. Anybody else? Good to go, good to go, good to go. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it. That is the last box of preparing players, guys. eBay, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, 38 out of 155. All right, first card is a Gridiron King Saquon going to AJ. AJ, rookie Gridiron Canvas. Saquon Barkley, rookie. Next up, AFC West, Tanya. Justin Herbert, Purple Prism Draft Picks, rookie. Justin Herbert, Purple Prism Draft Picks. Then we have a, out of 299, Devin Singletary. New Generations. Alright, so we got Devin Singletary, Justin Herbert, rookie, and a rookie Saquon Barkley Canvas. Alright. New York Giants, NFC East, AJ. Good. AFC West, Tanya. And then AFC East, Rob V. Buffalo Bills. Alright, not too shabby. Alright, 5 times for 5 times. Top spot, free spot in the bonus break. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Tanya, free spot for you. 109, Premium Pack Football. Premium Pack Football. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Premier Players, guys. 23 left in there. Premium Football Jersey. Premium Pack Football. You can also run another one of those. Alright, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe. Turn on notifications. Thanks.